Okay, so I chose 3 different problems so that you can see the difference between continuity and differentiability. So the first one, we have f of x is equal to the absolute value of x. So we test if it's continuous on the interval from -1 to 3. Can we take the absolute value of anything negative? We can. Can we take the absolute value of anything fractional? We can. Can we take the absolute value of 0? We can. Is there anything we cannot take the absolute value of? The absolute value just means the distance that something is. So the distance that something can be from the number 0 is any real number. Therefore, this is a continuous function. Any real number can have the absolute value taken of it. Is it differentiable? Well, the absolute value, as you'll remember, is a V shape, and the V is when it changes from positive to negative. Well, the absolute value of x changes from positive to negative at 0. So we have this V shape, something like this. Well, right at the bottom of the V, we're looking to see if it's differentiable. Well, it's differentiable here because that's linear. It's differentiable here because that's linear. But at this point where it changes direction, it's not differentiable. So this one is continuous but not differentiable. We cannot take the derivative at 0. It changes direction, or it has a cusp or a point. Number 2, can we take any polynomial and put in a real number? And we can. All polynomials are continuous. So this one is continuous. Is it differentiable? We can always take the derivative of a polynomial as well, because the derivative of a polynomial is a polynomial, just reduced by a power of 1. So both of these are continuous, which means both of these are differentiable and continuous. So yes, we can find the mean value of number 2 for all real numbers. It doesn't have to be just this interval. Going back to number 1, if it asks you on the interval from 1 to 3, it would be, because it would only be a section of it from here to like here. So that'd be a line. So you could take and say that this one would work on some other interval, but not if this 0 is included. On number 5, we're looking to see if it's continuous on the interval from 2 to 6. So is there any number we can put into this and make it not defined? So just like this one, we tried the numbers. This one's polynomial, so we don't have to really do anything. It's always continuous. But this one, we can set the bottom of it equal to 0, and we get x equals 4. If x equals 4, we have 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0 is undefined, so this one's not continuous when x equals 4, which is on this interval. 4 is between 2 and 6, so this one is not continuous, so you cannot take the mean value theorem of this one. If it were some number above 4, to the right of 4, or to the left of 4, it would work, but because it is across the number 4, it is not continuous. Hope that helps.